asked her specifically, do you have a blender? She said, yes, I have a blender. I said, okay, then good. Dilemma, what did I not ask her? I am so excited today. Here's why. I am high on blueberries. Blueberries, blueberries, blueberries. Why? I'll tell you about it. Let's get started. I've been thinking about this for a long time. Quite a while. Blueberries are in season right now. But anyway, I've been trying to think. I've been walking up and down the grocery store aisles. I found a blueberry juice that I could use as a juice, because sometimes they don't have blueberries. Anyway, so I said, what can I do with this blueberry juice? Let me get it for you. So I have my Boathouse Farms blueberry juice, and it's blueberries and blackberries. Now, the ingredients says that it's low in sodium and only 29 grams of sugar in this whole bottle. I'm elated. Don't know about you, but I am. Anyway, so I wanted to not just have blueberry juice. This is with blueberries, strawberries, bananas, and blackberries. All good for you. I'm on a health kick right now. I'm trying to change the course of my life on a health kick. So I decided I'm gonna put some cucumber, and I'm gonna spinach. And I juiced me some I'll show you. And I juiced me some carrot juice. Now carrot juice is good for the eyes, so I'm going to put that in there as well, with some water and some ice. Now, I brought my bottles with me. I don't like to throw away my water bottles, especially when they're nice and cute. So I brought my water bottles with me, so when I finish the blueberry, grinding all the blueberry and everything together, that I would make me some bottles so I can just pull one of these bottles out. When I get ready to go, I can drink it for breakfast, I can drink it for lunch, I can drink it for a late night snack. But listen, blueberries are off the chart, good for you, and antioxidants. They're good for you in your blood level, your blood sugars, your cholesterol, and your blood pressure. Now you can use blueberries in all different types of things. Blueberries are good for you in all different types and ways. I'll talk about that in a minute. But let me go ahead and get the blender. I'm tired telling you today. Anyway, just a minute. Where is her blender? You all, I think I might have a dilemma here. She has a cake blender. You know what? OMG. I have prepared myself, got myself all prettied up and everything, and got my little ingredients ready to chop it up and get ready to go. And guess what? I called her and asked her everything, but I want to make a video at your house, so it's about blueberries, And I asked her specifically, do you have a blender? She said, yes, I have a blender. I said, okay, then good. Dilemma, what did I not ask her? Do you have a blender that blends, I can't even say the word, blends juices? I called her. Hey, Kristen, where's your blender that blends the juices? Okay, blended, blends, whatever. Where's the juicer blender? Please don't tell me you don't have a juice blender. Well, OMG. I asked you the other night, remember? Alright. I gotta do something else then because I don't have a blender and I'm in the middle of my video. Okay. I will get the end result. Don't know what that is right now, but I'll get the end result. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Yeah, I'm over here. I'm elated now. Don't have a blender. So, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna chop up my cucumbers. At least I'm gonna chop up my cucumbers. So that when I get to, I guess, my brother's house, I'll go ahead and use my blender, juice blender, and I'll complete the blended portion of my juice. So what else are we gonna talk about? Yeah. You can use blueberries in desserts, cakes. I go and I order blueberries in my pancakes because that is so delicious. Good in antioxidants, I'm telling you. Fights off the bacteria. That very, very little small, look like almost a little larger than a seed, has all of those nutrients in it that will give you a healthy body content. So when I'm making my lemon water, guess what? I drop some blueberries in it. When I'm making my oatmeal, guess what? I drop some blueberries in it. When I'm sitting at home editing or creating a design, or I snack on some blueberries. So let me show you some of the things you can use blueberries with, so it can give you an idea. If you just need an idea. This is from Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. I finally made it to a place where I have a blender. And put my cucumbers in here. And this is long spinach. Stuff it all in here. Add my orange, carrot juice, hey. Blueberry juice, which is the main ingredient. water. Gotta make sure it's about this much juice in it so it won't be too thick. So I have my water. Blueberry juice, a little bit more. Some more spinach. I have a whole bag of spinach, so I'm gonna make sure I got the good greenery in here. And so this is my juice. This looks so good. From my house to yours, I like to give you what I'm doing.